everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Quickstep routine number 4. So this is a short summary of a practice routine. It was taught at the end of a lesson on the 4th of April 2022. So if you're in my full video library on my website, you're looking for the 4th of April 2022 today. Yes, the 4th of April 2022. That was the class of this morning. And we were doing Quickstep and Rumba, and this is the short practice routine, Improvers Solo routine number 4 at the end of it. We have done several classes on the 20th of December 21, the 24th of January 22, and the 28th of February 22. 3 previous sessions where we had covered a lot of this content: spin turns, telemarks, lock steps, tipple chasses and running finishes. So today's class was more about getting that content repeated and making sure we're a lot more confident with it. And we only added on one new step today, which was the cross chassis, and that is at the end of the routine. But if you need the full 45-minute breakdown where we looked at all the various techniques and recovered all of them, then please head over to the full video library where you will find that on the 4th of April 2022. It is in the Improvers Solo Ballroom and Latin section. I'm going to turn around and make a start. We started with a progressive chassis, and I was on the ladies' timing just to start with. I was starting at the left-hand side of my space, going back. Slow, quick, quick. I went straight into a spin turn, so I'm going to take a heel lead here instead of finishing on a ball lower. Forwards into my spin turn, and look towards the back of my room. One of the things we were adding in our improvers now is looking to the back of the room, not doing everything following me from the front. In my beginners classes online, everything is really following me from behind. You don't have to look at the back of the room, but with the improvers I wanted to add in a lot more rotation and start to get people used to what you would find in the ballroom. So we're heading into that now. So let's just do that again. We're going back, side, close, forwards, spin turn, brush in, fall out, and do our next progressive chassis facing the back of the room, so I'm going across the room. Again, for what is now my left to right. So if you're facing away from your screen and you're trying to look over the back, that's what's going on. You should be looking behind you, looking for your television screen or your computer, whatever you're watching me on. Here we go. Forwards, side, close, side. Okay, so we just did progressive chassis and then a little spin turn and then another progressive chassis. The next move is a running finish adapted for the living room. So I've changed the direction on one of these steps to make it living room friendly so that we do not disappear out of our space. I'm going to do this facing the front just to start with. We work with forwards, slightly side and back, slightly side and back, and then forwards. So essentially forwards, open, open, forwards. That is not quite the same as what I would be doing in the ballroom, strictly with a partner. So forwards, open, open, forwards. However, this kept us within a small space. So I always tell you, if I have adapted a step that is slightly in the living room for a solo dance and it is not the exact technical step that you will see exactly in the ballroom. Remember, these classes are designed for our solo practice. We do not need a partner, so I'm at liberty to change things a little bit. Here we go, let's add that in. Start with the progressive basic, slow, quick, quick spin turn, progressive basic again, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, so my little running finish adaptation will actually be like a left foot check, going back, and there. So open, open, and forwards, or forwards, back, open, forwards. However you wish to remember it, maybe forwards, back, open, forwards. And I'm coming along the front side, so you should be looking at me on your screen now, facing to your right hand wall. Okay, let's have a little look at what we did then. I finished with our right foot. We used one slow count to turn and face the front. We were just using up a slow count so that we could keep in time with the music. We then added in a little woodpecker sequence, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We then did 2 little tipple chasses, but just the first half, not the part with the lock step. Tipple chasses in the ballroom will have the little side chassis and then the lock step. Okay, I like to do them just as the little side. Okay, the little side chassis, call it a tipple, whatever you will, but this is it. Side, close, side, and a side, close, side. Just one either side. There we go. Now, we're going to do what is essentially a left hand spin turn footwork, which is the man's telemark. Left, brush in, brush out. Okay, so there's our little telemark. Let's do that again. Woodpecker section, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Tipple to the left, tipple to the right, slow, slow, slow. Next section, I'm facing my left wall. You can see I've got my laptop and my speaker on that side of the wall, just really for space, okay? Now, my right foot was going to go forwards and I was going to do a forwards lock. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Now we would normally continue in the same line and I would continue with the right foot forwards if I was in the ballroom. This is actually leaders, forwards or followers, either. It's the same footwork for both. So slow, quick, quick, slow. I would carry on with my right foot, heel lead. However, I'm going to change that for the purposes of the small space. I'm going to take that foot back. So remember, slight change, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. There we go, just so we don't go too far to one side or the other. We're then going to do a back lock step as normal, slow, quick, quick, slow, and here I paused. So my last slow, instead of carrying on down the line, as I would do normally with my left foot, keep it, pause it. Let's do those two lock steps together. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow, pause. Okay, that kept us right with the music and led us into the last section. Section 4, cross chassis, left foot, right foot, just doing it on leaders and followers timing. I have both watching my solo classes. So I start with my left foot, slow, side, close, forwards, and left foot forwards again into a little check. That allowed me to change so that I could go back on my right and do the cross chassis here and then back on my right with an exit. I'm actually going to do that facing the front for you, even though in the routine we were side to side. But this is it here. Forwards, slightly side and slightly forwards, closing in and slightly forwards. Okay, now my body's slightly on the diagonal and I would be outside of my partner if I was in the ballroom. One left foot forwards and check. And now I'm going to reverse that. I'm onto the followers timing, ladies timing now. Back, side, close, back, and back. So essentially I am doing lock step forwards and back, and then a cross chassis on leaders and then followers timing. Let's put all 4 sections together, and I will do it slowly. Progressive chassis left foot. Slow, quick, quick. Spin turn. Slow, slow, slow. Progressive chassis left foot, slow, quick, quick, slow. Running finish with adaptation, slow, quick, quick, slow. One pause on slow, twisting, weight is still on the right foot. Woodpecker, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow for the tipple. Quick, quick, slow for the second tipple. Telemark. Slow, slow, slow. Lock step. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. Cross chassis. Slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. And slow. Quick, quick, slow, and slow. Guys, just a short routine, just a little bit of practice, working on spin turns and telemarks, also working on the cross chassis and working a little bit more on additional rotation. I'm going to do that a little bit quicker for you. I will only call out the quicks and slows. I will not be able to call out the actual names of the moves. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, slow. There we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was the Improvers Solo Quick Step Routine number 4. Full class taught on the 4th of April 2022. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.